Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be discussing how to mount and unmount devices in Linux. And so for today's example, we'll be using my phone, which I have an Android. And for the package that we'll be using today, we'll be using something called jmtpfs. And what you'll want to do is create a folder somewhere to mount your device to. I created a folder in my home directory called USB for this. And so once you've done that, go ahead and plug in your device to your computer, go into your terminal and type in jmtpfs and then the location of your folder. Mine happens to be in the home directory under USB, and then go ahead and hit enter. And if you're on Android, you'll be asked to allow access to phone data. Go ahead and hit allow. And then you should see your files in Ranger. Let's take a look. And this is what you should come across. This is the internal storage of my phone. Now, if you're like me, I had to pause the video for a second because I had to close Thunar, because if you've got any other file managers open, it doesn't play nice with Ranger because it wants to show the device in your GUI file manager. I don't know why this is the case. I think it has something to do with GVFS, but make sure you don't have any other file managers open if you plan to use this with Ranger. If you don't plan to use this with Ranger, then go ahead and load up Thunar or whatever your file manager is, and you should have access to it on the left side of your file manager. Now, since we're done, we want to unmount. And the way that we unmount is that we say fuser mount -u and then whatever the location is of your folder, which again, mine was in USB in my home directory. Go ahead and hit enter, and now you have successfully unmounted it. And with that, we have come full circle. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video.